girl, Mams. Well, hell, just say it. Everyone's best friend, my dears. I don't care who you are. Diamonds are everybody's best friend. Well, Huda Beauty came out with lip balms. Not just any lip balms, my dears. Oh, no, no. They're diamond lip balms. Diamond bomb. Sparkly lip balms, to be exact. 6 shades, and I got 3 shades out of the 6. So, if you're wondering, my thoughts of how these work. Are they smooth? Are they tough? Do they glide? Does it stick? Do we feel the sparkliness? Well, my dears, especially in this nice heat weather where lipstick can not look so attractive. Then keep watching, my dears. Keep watching. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my dears, and thank you so much for pushing the little play button. I really, really appreciate it. Now, today I'm going to be demoing the 3 shades out of the 6 shades of the Huda Beauty lip balms, and I'm going to let you know how it feels on the lips, how it looks like on me, due to I'm only one skin tone, my dears, so I cannot speak if you are lighter than me or extremely deep. I can get an idea, but I can't be exact due to I'm only one skin tone. Just make you a disclaimer there, my dears. I'm just giving you my disclaimer. But right before we begin, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much. A little bit about me. I'm a musician, blues and jazz. I work on music, and I'm also a music lover, a makeup artist. And feel free to get to know me a little bit more, just in case you're curious. Follow me on all of my social medias on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and even Snapchat. And it all has the exact same handle at EnidBlueSinger, as well as my IMDb page, EnidBlueSinger, and that's for acting. I'll go back into acting soon, eventually. Let me do my music first, because I'm still working on a couple of things, and I have a music cover coming up soon. Just stay tuned for that, my dears. Stay tuned for that. So I'm going to go ahead and hush, and let's go deep into the demo thoughts, and if I think these lip balms are worth it to you, my dears. In the next 1, 2, 3. Alright, my dears. Now, as usual, I do have my little camera here, and I do have my Aveeno Positively Radiant makeup removing wipes. These are new to me. I'm trying them out. I don't know if I would need them or not. Since I'm swatching different colors, I'm thinking I would. I don't know, my dears. I don't know. My lips, they have been exfoliated, and they're nice and ready to go. Now, this is lip balms. We're going to see if anything shows. How much is the pigmentation? How does it feel on the lips? Those type of things, my dears. Those type of things. Now, Huda Beauty came out with 6 shades. I only bought 3 of them that will catch my attention. You know, that caught my interest, my dears. And the shades that I got are Dirty Thoughts, Negligee, and Seductress. Ooh. I like the names. They're so dirty. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to do the lightest all the way to the deepest. So the lightest one out of these 3 are Seductress. So they come into a little packaging like this. It's a little plastic. And here's the packaging. It is plastic. It's not glass. But with the light, since I am filming outside, I don't know if you're able to see the reflection of this. It's a nice reflection. That's the name at the bottom. And so this is going to be our first one. Let's see how it actually looks. I'm trying to turn so you can actually see my lovely lips. And let's see how it looks like. So let me get most of the hair out of my face. Ooh! I want you to see the sparkle of this color. I do not know if the camera's able to catch all the sparkliness, but hopefully you see it. And let's see how it looks like. There's this very first one. As you can tell, it's very light. It's clear basically, at least for my skin tone, but if you get a little bit closer, you're able to see a little bit of sparkles. So this is very, very light. So this one, I would say be good for like just underneath the chapstick or liquid lipstick, anything like that you desire. It's good to put it all over the lips. The other thing that I would suggest, or if you just want to get up, you just have a couple of errands, you don't feel like getting yourself just nice and cute, especially with this mask situation, you just want to get up and go, but you want your lips to be nice and smooth and feel nice, this would be good, my dears. This would be good. This would be good. So even though this is a lip balm and you're barely able to see, let's see how the other colors look. Let's just be fair, Joe. Let's just be fair. And then I just had this thought. It was just one second thought. I went ahead and got a nude lipstick. This is from Winky Luxe. I don't remember the shade of this. I'll probably put it on the screen right in front of you. I did do a one brand tutorial of the Winky Luxe brand, this video right over here. I'll also link it down in the description below just in case you haven't seen it, my dears, just in case you haven't seen it. What I'm gonna do these the same for all of them, is I'm gonna put this around my lips and go back and put Seductress on top just to see if we see a difference, since we already know how it looks like, well, without it. This is how it looks like on its own. Let's go back and put Seductress and see if we see a difference. I'm gonna put you in a little bit closer. As you can tell, you see the nude underneath. You don't see much of this, to be honest. But like I said, it's a lip balm. You're not expecting much tint. I'm just hoping. But you do see the sparkle on top. So this is another way that you can do it. Put it on top of your favorite lipstick. You want a little bit of shine, but you don't want that gooey lip gloss, but you do want that shine. Put this on top. And if you're worried it's gonna stain your lip balm, just get a makeup remover and just take it off and you're fine, my dear, so you're fine. So basically this is how it looks like with the lipstick. Alright, my dears, the next color is a little darker. Because I'm questioning now because the other one's really light. Is Negligee. Okay, so same packaging. I mean, when I picked these, I wanted to have very natural, everyday colors. I think I'm accomplishing that, but I think I did it too natural. Same packaging. Ooh, it looks like it's a little darker. Look. I'm gonna give you a difference of Seductress and that one real quick. I don't know if the camera's able to catch it, but that is the difference. I'm going to give you guys swatches of all three at the end so that way you can see. Oh, and it's magnetic. I forgot to mention. It's awesome. It says magnet. That won me over right there on packaging. Alright, by itself I took off the lipstick, and let's see if this one actually shows up, because I don't have a rich skin tone, but I don't have the fairest either, so keep that in mind. Alright, my dears, now with this one, it's kind of similar to the other one. The only difference I see from Seductress to this one is that it does show a little bit more like that shine when you first apply, a little bit more sparkle, but other than that, that's really about it. Because I have like a creamy pinkish tone to my lips naturally, so this is how it looks like before I put any lipstick on. Alright, so we're going to go back to this Winky Luxe nude color, and I'm going to put this all over my lips. Okay, as once again, this is how it looks like. Now let's see how this color looks like on top of that. Do we see a difference or just full of shine? I mean, if it's full of shine, I'm not going to complain, I'm just saying. Well, my dears, this is how it looks like on top of that one. Because I tried to pick a very neutral, the most neutral color I can find. Thinking most people, you know, don't get a lot of color, or a lot of people are not a red person. I'm not a red lipstick person. If you see my videos, I rarely wear red. More pinkish, purplish, but I try to put in as much of a nude color, skin tone color as much as possible. It'd be easier to see. But even with this, same as the other one, a little bit of sparkle, but not even that much. I think oddly I saw more sparkle with this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. This is how this one looks like. Alright, my dears, the last one is the darkest one. Yes, I mean darkest. Let's see if it is. Because the other two have been failing me, my dears, have been failing me. It is Dirty Thoughts. Same packaging. Ooh, this looks very pretty. Hopefully the camera can catch its loveliness. Okay, let's cross my fingers. I'm thinking this is going to be my favorite because it's the most mauve-y. Let's see. Well, my dears, this is how it looks like but on its own. And this one out of the other two has like a touch, and I mean a touch of color. Not by much, but a touch of color for being the darkest. What do you think? Maybe it's just me. Alright, my dears. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. And let's see if we see any difference with the nude in, or if it's the same as the other ones. Well, my dears, it looks like it's the same story as the other three. Barely anything there. Barely anything there. This is basically how it looks like, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and swatch them all, and these are the swatches for all three. Okay, my dears, and that's basically all of the three lip balm colors that she has. Let me tell you my thoughts of what we just did. Alright, my dears, now that we have swatched, demoed, and looked at all of the three colors out of the 6 colors that I did get, here are my thoughts. The feel of all these colors are very, very nice. They're very nice and smooth, and it doesn't skip, and it just feels very, very moisturized. I love all three of them. So the formula is definitely a win, my dears. Definitely a win. And even though these do have the sparkle, or the way they call it, diamond, it's on all three of these, they're all very, very subtle. Like the only one that I saw a little bit like, oh, was this one on Negligee, I think. That's the only thing that I saw a little bit more sparkle, but once you apply the lipstick, not so much. Yeah, not so much. Now, if you're deciding about, ooh, they're nice, they glide, have a little bit of sparkle, they're not so intense, that's so for me. That is so for me. But if you're wondering about cost, I do like these lip balms. I really, really do. But when it comes to shades, to be perfectly honest, I don't think it matters. Because we just tried all these and none of them showed up. To the lightest to the darkest. Even with lipstick, and I like pick like one of the most nudist lipsticks I own. So, yeah. Like I said, honestly, if you want to buy these, go ahead. I would say just pick one. I would say pick the deepest one as you possibly can from your skin tone, because as you can tell, even my darkest one that I was able to find barely showed up. So, will I continue to try these? Of course, they're nice and soft around the lips. Like I said, for the price for you to buy all 6 or even 3 like I did, I don't think so. I think it's good to just buy one if you're interested. Other than that, honestly, the best lip balm, like if you're looking for like a fantastic lip balm, my recommendation is from Laneige. Then this one right over here, beautiful. It's like 20 bucks, and yes, that's hefty. But you put them every night. Your lips are nice, delicious, juicy. What crap? What crap, my dears? I haven't had like crap or chappy lips in like 2 years. That's like the main thing I use at night. So just letting you know, I would go for that one. These, like I said, I feel like these would be good, just an on-the-go product to have in your purse. Well, with this heat, or if you're in Texas, maybe. But, you know, it's an on-the-go product, or maybe a good product to go underneath your lipsticks, or those super, super matte liquid lipsticks. Oh, my dears, that's a whole different conversation. But one of those, put these underneath just to soften them up, or you can put it like on top of something. Like I said, just use a Kleenex or like a makeup wipe, just take the color off, you'll be just fine, my dears. So like I said, these I do like. I just don't think you need to buy all of them for the price, to be honest with you, because it doesn't show up, and they all have the same finish. They glide nice, they have a little bit of sparkle, but they're not so intense, so you might as well just pick one that calls your name, my dears. So that's what I think about that. It's not a bad product. I just think for the price and what it does, if you decide to buy one, pick one, or else just go to the drugstore, and they have a lot of different lip balms. Just pick one that you desire. My favorite one, of course, is high-end. My apologies, high-end, and it's from Laneige. But these I will definitely continue using, and put it into the rotation of my makeup routine, my dears. So, would I say this is a fantastic purchase? Yes, my dears. It's absolutely fantastic. I just would recommend, if you're interested of these, and the packaging is nice, just buy one. 2 more things right before you leave. Remember, just in case you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and remember to push that little notification bell. Leave me a comment, like, and share my video for anyone that you think would dabble and be interested in these products, my dears, and these products. Now, one last thing right before you leave. Be safe, be kind, be careful. Like seriously, especially with everything going on. Be careful. I love you, I miss you, and I'll see you on the next video. See you soon.